How are you?
I am great by the grace of Allah.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Shahan. I am 11-year-old. I am a student of level 7.
What do you do?
I just study. I don't do anything.
Which class are you in?
In class level 7.
Who is your best friend in the class?
My best friend is Simon
Fine. Why do you like him?
because he's honest and helpful.
What places do you like to visit?
I like to visit mountains and peaceful places.
Do you like traditional food or prefer fast food?
I like traditional food because it is healthier.
Do you think fast food is not good for health?
Yes, fast food is harmful if eaten regularly.
What activities do you perform to stay healthy?
I go for a morning walk and eat vegetables.
How many hours do you sleep?
I usually sleep 7 to 8 hours.
Do you hate your job?
Sometimes it's stressful but don't hate it.
What do you usually have for breakfast and what did you have for breakfast today?
I usually eat egg paratha and tea for breakfast.
And what did you have for breakfast today?
I ate bread and egg
Why is breakfast important for you?
because it gives me energy for the morning.
How do you usually get to school?
I take bus to get to school.
And how did you get to center today?
I came on foot.
That's very nice answer. Where do you usually eat your lunch?
I usually eat lunch at my home with my family.
And where did you eat lunch yesterday?
Yesterday I ate lunch in my grandmother's house.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
Yes, I take nap after lunch.
Did you take a nap yesterday?
Yes, I took nap yesterday.
What time do you start doing your homework?
I usually start doing my homework after Asr prayer.
Yes. How much time do you spend on your homework?
I spend 2 hours on my homework.
When do you have dinner?
I usually have dinner around 9 o'clock.
What do you do after dinner?
I like to read and watch mobile phone.
What do you do with your mobile?
I watch some cartoons and play games.
Okay. When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep around 10 o'clock.
When did you go to sleep yesterday?
I went to sleep around 10 o'clock.
Are you interested in cricket?
Yes, I am a big fan of cricket.
Who is your favorite player in cricket?
My favorite player in cricket is Mohammad Amir
Why do you like him?
because his bowling is very good.
Which batter do you like in cricket?
I like Sahibzada Farhan in cricket.
He is a batsman.
Yes.
Okay. Do you watch movies?
No, I don't watch movie.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What sort of books do you like to read?
I like to read adventure and story books.
Who is your favorite personality?
My favorite personality is Allama Iqbal
Why do you like him?
because his poetry is very good.
Can you read any couplet of his poetry?
No, I don't remember.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Yes.
So you watch movies.
Yes.
Where did you go on Sunday?
I went to the park.
Which park?
I don't remember its name.
You don't remember the name of the park, but you went to the park.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
What did you do in the park?
I played cricket.
Did you play cricket with your friends or with your siblings?
With my siblings.
Siblings.
Yes.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
Okay. And how many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 1 sister.
One sister.